This fall, Goshen Community Schools launched LEGO Robotics teams across the district, opening the door for students to explore coding, problem solving, and teamwork in new ways. At Goshen Intermediate School, this program has been a great example of students learning today and leading tomorrow. Earning the opportunity to compete at the semi-state level was an exciting milestone for our team. Throughout the competition, students continued to improve, learn from each round, and grow more confident in their skills.
Going to the semi-state competition was really exciting. Each round helped us learn something new and make our robot better. We had to think creatively, work together, and stay focused. Seeing other teams showed us new ideas and motivated us to keep learning and improving.
At Chamberlain Elementary, LEGO Robotics has given students hands-on opportunities to inspire innovation and build confidence. Our team worked hard all season, and competing at the semi-state level was a great experience for them. The students collaborated, adapted, and challenged themselves throughout the day, which truly reflects our promise to empower potential.
Semi-state was a great experience. We worked together, solved problems, and kept improving as we went. It was fun to see how other teams approach challenges and to get ideas we can use in the future.
LEGO Robotics at Goshen Community Schools is helping students inspire innovation, empower their potential, and prepare to enrich our world.